as cities rise higher, our expectations rise with them. Every home on every floor depends on one critical factor: consistent water pressure. But conventional pumping systems and gravity fail to provide adequate water pressure when demand fluctuates. Traditional systems cannot respond to real-time demand, leading to inconsistent pressure across floors, inefficient pressure distribution, and unhappy residents. Introducing the V-Guard Multi-Booster System, an intelligent hydro-pneumatic solution designed for hotels, hospitals, industries, and residential complexes. The solution that delivers constant pressure regardless of demand. Powered by motors designed for superior energy efficiency, the V-Guard Multi-Booster System maintains smooth, constant water pressure to the distribution line and to the utility. This intelligent control panel features an integrated PLC-HMI controller that works alongside a variable frequency drive to monitor system demand and regulate pump speed accordingly. The panel box incorporates comprehensive electrical protection such as phase sequence, phase unbalance, and phase loss protection, surge protection, overcurrent protection, dry run protection, and other safeguards against low and high voltage conditions. Fabricated from SS304 food-grade stainless steel, the suction and delivery manifolds ensure uniform water distribution to and from the pumps. Engineered for rust resistance and pressure stability, they enable smooth flow, minimal losses, and reliable system performance. Each pump is equipped with an isolation valve in the suction manifold, while the delivery manifold includes an isolation valve as well as a non-return valve for each pump. All manifolds are securely connected to the pumps through flange joints, ensuring easy installation and a leak-free setup. Also mounted on the delivery manifold is a pressure transducer, a mechanical pressure switch and a pressure gauge. The transducer continuously sends real-time pressure information to the controller, enabling precise pressure regulation and automated pump operation. The pressure gauge provides a clear visual indication of system pressure. The mechanical pressure switch allows manual operation and basic pump control when required. The V-Guard Multi-Booster System also comes with a pre-charged high-grade diaphragm tank that stabilizes pressure. This reduces the need for frequent pump cycling, leading to a smoother and more efficient operation. Whenever there is a water demand, the V-Guard Multi-Booster System detects this and increases its pump speed to maintain the preset pressure. If one pump isn't enough, the next one engages smoothly without any pressure spikes. If the required pressure is still not achieved, the third pump will similarly turn on. Under sustained high demand, all three pumps operate continuously to maintain system pressure at the required level. Unlike traditional pressure booster pumps that operate continuously at full speed with increased power consumption, the V-Guard Multi-Booster System integrates a pressure transducer and a variable frequency drive, which enables it to control pump operation dynamically, regulating motor speed according to system demand. The result? No spikes, no depressions. If there is no demand, all pumps are turned off. Whenever the utility opens, demand resumes, or the pressure falls, the V-Guard Multi-Booster System will restart automatically. Constant pressure at the required flow with maximum energy efficiency. Reliability is non-negotiable. The V-Guard Multi-Booster System is fortified with a 7-point safety shield. Dry run protection prevents pump damage during a water shortage. Overcurrent and thermal overload protection safeguard the controller from electrical and heat stresses. Surge protection shields the system from sudden voltage spikes. Phase failure, phase unbalance, and phase sequence protection ensure a stable, correct, and safe power supply to the system at all times. Under voltage and over voltage protection safeguards the system against electrical fluctuations. High pressure cutoff protection automatically stops the system if pressure exceeds safe limits. In case an immediate manual shutdown is ever needed, it also features a dedicated emergency stop switch. If there is a fault, press alarm to see the error log. The press process to reset. These together with additional integrated safety features of the V-Guard multi-booster system, will ensure its reliable operation and protect your investment during abnormal conditions. Complex process made simple. The user-friendly controller puts total control at your fingertips. Set your desired pressure, and the system handles the rest. Click Set Pressure on the controller. Using the number pad that appears, input the required pressure, click OK. This is the real-time line pressure reading. The pumps in your V-Guard multi-booster system will continue working till the real-time line pressure meets the new set pressure. Thereafter, it will continue maintaining this pressure automatically by adjusting the pumps and their speeds. No manual intervention is required. Only routine inspections are required, such as checking for mechanical and physical issues that could damage the pump, verifying tank recharge pressure, inspecting for leaks, and reviewing system error logs. V-Guard multi-booster system also available in 2-pump variant. Don't let pressure drops compromise your standards. Experience precise, intelligent, and consistently stable pressure with the V-Guard multi-booster system. Contact V-Guard today. Bring home a better tomorrow.